Good morning, and the last article of this unit, this chapter, rules for the complementary function. Actually, it is the last article. Last article of this chapter, this unit is rules for the complementary function. Let us see how are the rules for the complementary function. To understand rules for the complementary function, we shall consider linear homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficients. For example, let us consider equation number 1. The linear homogeneous partial differential equation of second order with constant coefficients. And let us assume that d is equal to dou by dou x. This is equal to m. D dash is equal to dou by dou y. This is equal to 1. Equation number 2, equation number 3. Remember this thing. D is dou by dou x and d dash is dou by dou y. Further, we must have d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. Let us first write equation 1 in the form of d and d dash. That is a0 d square plus a1 d d dash plus a2 d dash square is equal to 0. Okay, but what is d here? M. What is d dash here? 1. So let us put these values. A0 m square plus a1 m plus a2 is equal to 0. Equation number 4. Using equations 2 and 3, in equation 1, solving and putting the values from equations 2 and 3, equation 1 is simply written as a0 m square plus a1 m plus a2 is equal to 0, and equation 4 is known as auxiliary equation. Putting the assumptions we made in equations 2 and 3 in equation 1 and solving, we get equation 1 as a0 m square plus a1 m plus a2 is equal to 0. Equation 4, this equation is known as and auxiliary equation, and we have to solve this auxiliary equation, and we have to solve this auxiliary equation to get the complementary function z. And there are two different cases. Case number 1. Case number 1. If the roots of this auxiliary equation are real and different, if the roots are real and different, the complementary function z will be f1 of y1 y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x. Whenever we write the solution, okay, for this auxiliary equation, and if the roots are real and different, the complementary function z will be f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x. Case number 1. Case number 2. If roots are real and equal, if roots are real and equal, then the complementary function z is given by if we find roots of this equation, if roots of this equation are real and equal, in that case the auxiliary equation can be used to write the complementary function as complementary function z will be equal to f1 of y plus mx plus x into f2 of y plus mx. If the roots are real and different, the complementary function is z is equal to f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x. So, these two cases are to be remembered whenever we are finding the complementary function for the given linear homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Case number 1 and case number 2 must be remembered whenever we are finding complementary function for the linear homogeneous partial differential equation. Let us try to solve few problems to get the complementary function. And the first problem is dou cube z by dou x cube minus 4 dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 3 dou cube z divided by dou x dou y square is equal to 0. This is the first problem given, and what we have to do, we have to find out solution to this problem so that we shall get value of z, the complementary function. So what is the procedure? The procedure is dou by dou x is equal to d, dou, and it is further equal to m. Dou by dou y is equal to d dash, it is further equal to 1. Let us apply this to this equation. So it will be d cube minus 4 d square d prime plus 3 d dash square is equal to 0. But what is d? D is to be substituted as m. What is d dash? D dash is to be substituted as 1. So put these values here. So it will be m cube minus 4 m square plus 3 m is equal to 0. D dash is 1. D dash square is 1 square is 1. So it will be only 3m. M is here, m is here, m is here, m may be taken common. What left in the bracket is m square minus 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, let us get roots of this, and it will be what? M into m minus 1 into m minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 0. Or here we have m is equal to 0, 1, 3. We got here 3 roots, 3 different real and different roots. Here we got 3 real and different roots. M can have value 0, m can have value 1, m can have value 3. We are having much more time, because after solving this equation, this problem, we are going for 2 more problems. Okay. And now let us use these values in the formula I have given in the rules for complementary function, right? Then I have to write here z is equal to f1 of y plus, what is value of m? 0, 0 into x plus f2 of y plus x, 1x plus f3 of y plus 3x. So this is the complementary function, or let me write here simply f1 y plus f2 y plus x plus f3 y plus 3x. This is the complementary function for this linear homogeneous partial differential equation.